is crazy.
I know.
It's like, I don't know, 3 to 4 feet.
All the way. Don't start coming in your face.
There's already packed field now.
Okay, they're going up the hill. Akyat na sila dun sa taas.
All got the sled.
Hold on. Hold on. Blue. Blue, you're gonna be so tired. Blue, just stay here. Oh my goodness. It's so deep. Let's see if we can climb up there. Yeah. So you can see them. Wow. You can do it. I'm stuck. Oh my goodness. Yeah, tingnan nyo hanggang dito sa hita ko. Ay, napaon. Oh my goodness.
I am stuck again.
Oh. Okay. What do you want us?
Probably have it.
Look at that! How deep it is! Alright, you can do it. Oh my! Let's see. Yes, right there. Oh my god. We're ready! You look like a penguin! Ito yung view dito kung saan kami nagsisled. Ayan oh, napapalibutan kami ng medyo mahangin kaya mas malamig. Kahit na maaraw dito, malamig. Ayan, ganda ng pabundukan dito. Push her, Blue! She got it! Yay! Yeah, push. It's okay. Yay! You're going faster, I think. Woo! So, ganito lang ako liit kumpara sa tubo na yan. Malaki ang tubo na yan. Oh, ang haba at ang laki. Oh. Hey, second try. You're going faster this time. It's like you're rowing a boat. Watch out! Natumba naman siya. Okay, my turn.
Onto the road.
Oh boy.
Woo. What's wrong with Mom?
Oh, sit there. Sit there, Blue.
Stay.
Stay. Stay, Blue. Get on the sled. Get in the sled. Oh, he
Whoa.
doesn't want it.
Okay, fine.
He can just ride with you.
Whoa, whoa.
ng snow. Alright, so doon kami nanggaling sa taas. Oh. Oh. I was going fast!
You got snow all over.
Grabe yung snow dito sa kabundukan, banda. Mas malapit ka sa kabundukan, mas marami yung snow mo. We're gonna do it again. Let's try again one more time. Ang bilis. Alright. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Hindi na ako tinulak ng asawa ko. Let's see kung ano ako ka. Bilis. It's better this time, huh? I'm covered in snow. Alright. I think we're doing it way better this time now that the snow is packed. This is the 360 view here. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda kasi maaraw na. Although na malamig pa rin. Ayan, dyan kami nag-sled. Oh. Alis na kami, change location tayo. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kakapal yung snow dito sa kabundukan. Oh. Mga 3 to 4 feet siguro yung taas nyan. Ayan, yan, mga tambak na snow. And then doon din, oh, tambak na snow, ang taas.